Hello guys, I just got out of the pool, so I'm kind of wet here, but I did some cleaning up in the backyard and did some fixing to get in the sun here, setting up, and I set up my canopy and moved my umbrella back here, and I put a piece of material on my swing, and I tried to fix this double swing, and let me show you what I did to it. Bungee cords. All right, what I did, as you can see, the back was completely ripped out and gone. So I took bungee cords, I took 3 bungee cords, and I ran them across. And then I had ordered this cover, which I wanted to go on this swing over here, but it didn't fit. So I measured it, safety pinned it, and let me show you the front. I took another bungee cord and I ran it right here in the middle of the seat to help hold this down. And then I got safety pins periodically along here because it was too long. And then on the corner, I took this piece to this piece and I safety pinned that. And there we go. I have sat in it and swung, and it's fine. Bungee cords will work until I get the wood to do the slats. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty clever idea. And then this one here, I had showed you guys in other videos how it was messed up. That's what I got that cover for, like I said, but it didn't fit. So I just took a piece of material and put it down so we don't have to sit on this scratchy stuff here that's all yucky and messed up. And I'll probably safety pin that down so the wind don't take it. And then let's see, I put up the tent, and you've probably seen that I put up the canopy, set up the canopy, put a couple solar lights down there on each corner here in the front. And I was going to use my pull swing, but it is all tore up. Let me set y'all down and I'll show you this. Maybe I'll set y'all down. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I've got my pull net here, but it is all messed up. So I went in the house, and I don't know if this will go over it or not, but I'm going to try to put a piece of nylon over it, nylon stocking, if it'll stretch far enough, maybe. I don't think it's gonna stretch. So drop the net. All right, see if I can hold it with my feet while I do this. And if this fits, then I'll tie it down on the bottom where the pole is, and then I'll take, Dad, burn it. Let's try another way here. All right, let's try that. If it fits, then I'll take it over to the pool and see if it's gonna work for a net. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this stocking on here or not. It's giving me technical difficulties. I need another hand. There we go. I'll just have to put it on like I would if I was putting it on my leg, a little bit at a time, and work with it. Yeah, the net, I guess, just got dry rotted and tore up, which it happens after a while. All good things come to an end, right? Even swimming pool nets. All right, we're making progress. Let me move this back here a little bit so y'all can see a little better. Okay. Is it going to be long enough to go all the way to the end? I do not know. I may have to go find a pair of my nylons that are full nylons. Let's see if I can work it down or not. Almost fit, guys. I'm almost there. Okay. I think I made it. Okay, let's see if I can get it just a little bit more. Okay. Work it down a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. Then I can get me a tie or something and maybe tie it on the bottom. I don't know. All right, well, let's go see if it'll work in the pool or not. So that's what I got. I got a nylon over it. And see if I can get you guys over here and show you the pool and not drop the camera. See, these things are supposed to angle around, so there we go. I'll have to, there. Maybe you can see. I think so. Okay, so here is my net with, is it bending it? I think it's bending it a little bit, but all right, that's okay. It gives it a little little dip right there. So let's see if it's gonna work. Well, looky there, guys. Can you see that? I'm getting leaves out. There's the stuff on the bottom. I really need to get my pool vacuum. I finally got a cover for this thing, so that does help keep a bunch of the stuff out. I'm trying to get this stuff off the bottom here. But hey, for a quick fix, check it out. It works, guys. You got an old swimming pool net that fell apart. You don't want to run to town. Of course, town for me is 25-30 minutes away, so I don't just run to town. We improvise, and I would say this is a pretty good improvised tool. Well, heck yeah, good as new. That's what you call utilizing stuff that you have. So really like this GoPro handle thing here. It of course I can't show you it because it's the GoPro's on it, but it wraps around stuff so I can set it down and whatever. Anyway, let me try to adjust you here. There we go. Okay, like I said, I just got out of the pool, so I am wet, and it was really hot today. It's supposed to be hot all week. I'm gonna probably clean the bottom of the pool, put the pool cover back on it, and then go in the house and try to find something to eat. I'm sure everybody's hungry. Haven't fed nobody today. I did see my husband get a bowl of cereal, bless his heart, which he didn't. I got the best husband ever. He's like, I don't care, whatever you want to cook. You don't want to cook, we'll just eat cereal. Can't live on cereal, but I mean, you know, my husband's awesome. Anyway, one more look and I'll show you what I did one more time. We got the little Coleman tent set up. I got the swing covered with the umbrella, and this umbrella does, I may have shown you in another video, I don't know, but this umbrella does have solar lights that come on. I don't know if you can see them or not. There you go. Yeah, you can see them. Okay, awesome. And then I'm going to get a little plastic outside table. That's my TV table. I'm not leaving it out here. And then I got the canopy with the swing. And my nephew did help me a lot. He is an excellent help. Say hi, Tyler.
Hey.
So yeah. My backyard. Now I can sit out here and relax and be shaded a little bit. Jump in the pool if I get too hot. Oh, yes. This is the life here. Oh, just a swinging. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. I just wanted to, like I said, just wanted to show you the pool net and quick fix. It works. Hey, if it works, go for it. So thanks for watching, and God bless you, and I will catch you next time. Take care till then. All right, bye.